If you're like many food and beverage, dietary supplements, and consumer packaged goods companies, you know that maintaining high standards is crucial for success. Ensuring quality operations on the plant floor is a constant challenge that requires vigilance and dedication. Collecting and managing essential documents and adhering to standard operating procedures can be overwhelming. Manual and disconnected steps can lead to missed actions and data entries, affecting product quality and compliance. Streamlining these processes is necessary to maintain operations and ensure customer satisfaction. These gaps can lead to significant downstream issues, including stressful audits, increased costs, and serious product quality problems. Empower your team with automation, streamlined training, and real-time insights. AsterDocs is here to help. With our advanced quality management solution, you can digitize and analyze all your quality control and safety data in one platform. Gain real-time visibility into plant operations, ensuring every aspect is monitored and optimized. Empower your team to maintain high standards of quality and safety, enhancing efficiency and productivity. All information exchanges and documents are tracked, then transformed into digital records that fuel configurable dashboards and reports. With AsterDocs, perform root cause analysis, track steps, and maintain approvals for a complete audit trail. Stay proactive by monitoring critical control points, food safety plans, and standard operating procedures. Our system tracks details in real time, ensuring compliance and efficiency. Discover the seamless integration of technology and safety, empowering your team to maintain the highest standards. Let's explore the benefits together. Teams store procedures and initiate workflows for reviews and approvals. Online forms ensure consistency and speed for checks, enabling teams to efficiently complete actions and data entry while addressing out-of-spec issues. Supervisors review and validate records, initiate corrective actions, route workflows for approval, and fulfill pre-shipment requirements before release. With AsterDocs Quality Management, manufacturers receive real-time insights into the people, processes, and critical quality measures that matter most. Request your demo today at AsterDocs.com.